In recent days, I received an email from somebody who talks about lawyers making money as opposed to lawyers being an investment, or in the minds of some, lawyers being an expense. There is a new white paper, I think that's the right term in this case, being circulated by LexisNexis. It's a joint venture between Lexis and a number of other folks. The basic line here is that law departments for corporations can make money, not just be an investment, nor an expense. And I was thinking about this more and more, and the bottom line for the white paper, I think, is that lawyers can make money by becoming more involved in the process. And how do you get involved in the process? Well, one of the ways of doing that is looking at where the companies spend their money in the contracts and where vendors to the companies are not performing. If you look at it more closely, it seems to me that what we're talking about is warranty work. What we're talking about is the enforcement of the warranties that are given to companies by their vendors, and for lawyers to become more involved with the enforcement of the warranties. Now, in this case, yes, the vendors are going to have to perform the warranties. They're going to have to negotiate settlements with the companies for money that the companies might not otherwise receive. And in this context, if you look at the metrics that way, what we're talking about is lawyers creating a situation where companies get money. If you really think about this, going way back to the time of Lou Brown and the development of the concept of preventive law, we're just looking at it a different way. Lawyers are helping companies become more sensitive to the rights that they have as a result of the contracts that they make, the performance agreements that they make, and lawyers helping their companies, whether it be in-house counsel or outside counsel, enforce those agreements. Think about this when you deal with your clients, your customers. Think about this and how you can talk to them and show them how you can make money for them. Show them how the involvement of a lawyer from the very beginning of the negotiation process can enforce agreements and therefore not only get the clients what they are expecting, managing their expectations with their customers, but also how they then can earn money and not be an expense item. It's all a question of perspective and how you present yourself to your clients. Show them now how you can make money for them, not just be an expense. Thanks for joining us today.